Good morning! It is time to open my next Wooble. I believe this is the fourth one. Alright, so number 4 is up here. I'm gonna pull this one out if I can. Alright, let's see what number 4 is. Alright, so we have some light gray yarn. We have some white yarn. We have a red crochet hook. We have stuffing. And a little packet. It looks like today we will be crocheting a squirrel. So, let's see, what's the next one? Number 5 is a big one, so I think I might just do one Wooble today. When it comes to like smaller boxes, I might combine those with another bigger project. So, the next is 5. So 6 is pretty small, so I might open 5 and 6 in the next video. Anyways, let's see what's in this little packet. We've got our card, and on the back are the QR codes to get to the pattern that you will find online. And we've got a little bit of black yarn, and then we have safety eyes in this little packet. And yeah. Oh, we also have a tapestry needle. So I'm gonna get started on this project. These are made up pretty quickly, so they tend to be pretty easy projects, but I do feel like it's a little monotonous. I don't know that I would get, I mean, everything is super cute, but I don't know that I would get this next year because I like crocheting occasionally, but like having crochet project after crochet project is a bit much for me, I think. I do tend to prefer knitting over crocheting, but I do both, and I do like both, just depending on the project. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. Alright, let's do a little kitten unboxing. I don't know these babies' genders yet. Let's see how you guys are. Yes. I think this might be a little girl. What a cutie. Alright, let's see. Hey, sweetie. Black one. Oh, you're definitely a boy. Yeah, so this little black one's a boy, and the other one is a girl. Alright, so these two just arrived. They are fairly newborn. They're both under 100 grams. You guys got something on your back. I'm gonna have to go get a tissue. There we go. Turned on the light in here. Alright, I'm gonna go mix up some formula for these two. But it looks like we have a boy and a girl. They're pretty newborn. Just came into San Diego Humane Society today. Alright, sweetie, look at you guys. You guys hungry? Gotta make you up some formula. Alright, got some new babies. Let's feed some munchkins. I already helped them go potty. Okay, little miss. Here we go. What are you doing behind the phone? There we go. They sure do love to eat. Oh my goodness. Good girl. Alright, little mister, your turn. There we go. Good job, baby boy. Alright, I have been working away at this. I feel like I might have gone a little bit off because it seems to poof out right here and right here more. And I feel like the cheeks should probably be poofed out on each side of the white area, but oh well. I'm on round 12 and I'm just gonna continue on. Alright, I just put the eyes on. I'm gonna work on finishing the body and getting this stuffed. I have to do a round circle part for the stomach. I have to do the little arms, the tail, and the ears. That's what I have left. Okay, I'm gonna continue working on my little squirrel. I have been taking a bit of a break from my Wooble because I'm knitting some socks for my husband for Christmas. And this is how they look so far. This is the heel, and I'm just working on the last part of the sock. I need to finish like the foot part and then the toe. And I keep the socks about the same progress, except I have finished the gusset decreases on this one, and I need to finish the gusset decreases on this one. And then Princess and Kitten are right there. These two are about 10 years old. I've had them since they were kittens, and they are very cozy right now. Alright, someone needs to tell it to these little munchkins that wanting to eat every hour of the day is not conducive to my sanity. They want to eat every hour. Sometimes only 40 minutes. But they are starting to get little bellies, so I guess that's good. Look at those little bellies. They're hungry right now. You ready to eat? Look at that belly. Look at your little bellies you're getting. You're so tiny. But you're getting good big bellies, huh? Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and feed you. This is my morning. I have Kitten here. Princess here. Hi, pretty girl. I have Jetta there. And Timmy here. I'm surrounded by cats. The only one not here is Ronnie. Hi, Keeter Meter. Are you happy? I have so many cats all around me. Oh, Timmy is so comfy and happy. Do you want to belly rub? Belly rub? You love your belly rubs. Oh. Yes, you are a silly boy. Good morning. I've got my little kit right here, and I'm going to show you the progress that I made so far. I did make progress off filming while I was just like chilling and around the house yesterday. So, I finished the tail. I basically finished all of the little pieces that I have to sew onto the squirrel. So, I did that. This is the squirrel. And all of the little pieces here. I need to use this for the embroidered parts of like the mouth. But I did finish the little belly spot and the 2 little ears. So today I just need to like sew this all together to the squirrel body and do the embroidery parts, and the squirrel will be done today. Okay, I was just sewing the tail on and I realized it's kind of off to the side instead of like in the center back, more over here. So I have to redo this. Oh goodness, I should have been paying more attention. And I think I filled the tail too much. It's like really thick, but I'm not gonna go back and take filling out. I just have to undo all of this sewing and redo it. Okay, maybe I should start at like around the top of the tail and secure it there and then do the bottom. All right, my squirrel looks okay. This is the squirrel so far. I just need to do the nose and mouth with the black yarn, and then this will be done. Alright, so I finished my squirrel. Technically there are supposed to be little arms, but I really don't feel like making the tiny little fiddly arms. So I'm gonna call this done. This is my squirrel. Thoughts on the squirrel? I feel like this has been the most boring one so far, probably because of the color. I think maybe if the squirrel were brown, I would like it a lot more, but it's okay. I at least finished it. And it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my Christmas tree now. I have been turning all of the Woobles from the advent calendar into Christmas ornaments because I don't know what else to do with them, honestly. Plus, they make nice Christmas ornaments. They're not breakable, and if my cats want to play with them, they're fairly safe. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this on my tree now.